Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Conrad Sangma ubadai President ke National People's Party ula penpau ke Sngewsih bawa MP berim ke Raja Sabha Dr. Kharlukhi ula miino na ke NPP ubale trailang la slam baha berubalong kumshiying shisam na do kapor ukpa jong UPA Sangma Conrad ula ong ba umpoi perkhat ba Dr. Kharlukhi miino na kaseng hendai uburam ya karai jong namaryo le se udan na jong jingtmu ba umut ban le hadian habut Ulong ba nakaliang ke parti jong ke juburam ni kinong yalam dak bepen ken mau hakipor bakila jet yu Dr. Kharlukhi kumu MP Raja Sabha nama ba udai ubajutrei na kabenta ki pat ba shu ulong ba ke politik ki brio kila banwan bat kila ban mi hendai nakaliang ke parti kan beteng ban trei ka kam
at his own level, and I have nothing to say. We accept and whatever his decision is. And we have worked for a very long time together from my late father's time, and of course we've done many things positively for the state, for the party, and I cherish all those moments and all those things. And there comes, I guess, a time when they also, or rather he is also having his own mind and maybe some things that he wishes to do, so we have no issues with that. As I said, from the party side, we have always given our respect to our leaders, and even I remember very clearly that my late father was very keen that he should become a Rajya Sabha MP, but that time he had rejected that offer, and that's why that time I think Thomas had become the Rajya Sabha MP. But then I ensured that that particular aspect also, so that a person who has been very active in politics and given a lot of his time to governance, to people, I felt that it was important that a person like that should be voicing our concerns at the parliament. And so we went ahead and we appointed, or rather we elected him as the Rajya Sabha MP. But as I said, I guess Dr. Kharlukhi has his own concerns, his own points and his own plans, and I wish him all the very best.
The timing consider it as a setback?
Not really, in the sense that people will come and people will go. It's okay. I mean, on a personal note, I am of course very sad that this has happened. I didn't expect this to happen, but I respect it and I accept it. But we will move on, and the party will continue to work. We have a lot of work to be done, and a lot of people have joined the party, and I think that's the nature of politics and party politics.
Will you try to reach out to Dr. Kharlukhi to reconsider his
we will see. We'll discuss with the party leaders, and then we will take a call.
The timing has...
That I think he will know better. I don't think I'll be able to answer that question.